This is a quick couple-minute tutorial on how to turn off sound notifications for your email or your calendar or other alerts that you might get. If you typically like having your sound on and need to host a webinar or be on a conference call where an audience needs to hear you and the little ping of receiving an email or sending an email can be distracting, you can easily turn those on and off when needed by going to two different places. You want to start with your computer settings. So in my Mac, I'm going to go down to my setting preferences on my dock or via my Launchpad. It might be different on a PC. When you open up those settings, you can go to notifications, and then here on the this left menu, you can choose the different items you might get notifications for and uncheck the play sound for notifications button. You'll want to do that for anything that you have notifications set up on, messages, or even updates to Microsoft PowerPoint or Word. Anyway, those can be done just with this little checkbox, and then you would close out of that. And then you also need to turn off the notification sound for your email platform or server. That can be done through Gmail or also for Outlook. I use Outlook. So here I'm going to go up to my little Outlook menu and go to Preferences, and then again to Notifications and Sounds. Opening that up, it can be easily turned off or on with a checkbox. So in this case, the sounds, if it's checked like this, then I will get a sound alert for a new message. If I uncheck, I will not. And then you just close out of it once your preferences are set. And I don't think this has to be a permanent thing. It's easy to switch on and off depending on the use of your computer that day and whether or not you're able to be muted, or if it's just you on your own, or if you're virtually communicating with other people. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.